Hello friends. Today I'm returning to one of my other areas, which is neurorehabilitation on this channel. And my topic today is discussing about balance related problems. And for that, what I'm going to recommend today, a balancing cushion. I prefer this a lot during rehabilitation. Why? Because it provides a lot of texture, which is good at the soles of the feet. Secondly, it also helps in getting some pressure because it's an air-filled cushion, and so many activities can be practiced on this, which helps the person improve their balance and also reduce risk of falls. The first step involves giving a simple sensory experience with the cushion by placing the foot and trying to bear weight on the foot, moving the knee as far forward as possible. Wall support is absolutely necessary as it helps the person in the initial stages to gain balance. As a second step, this cushion can be used like an obstacle, simply to cross it both forward and backward. Similarly, keeping the cushion in the middle, trying to cross it from the side and back. Thirdly, it can be a step up and step down activity where first you practice one foot at a time and then actual stepping up on the cushion and either moving forward or stepping up and then stepping back. After stepping comes the biggest challenge where you have to stand on the cushion continuously. Initially try to use wall support, but later on it can be weaned off. Keeping the arms crossed helps in gaining this balance as it helps the body maintain the center of gravity. Once you can balance well on the cushion, it is good to practice it with blindfold. And finally, for balancing with one foot, where the foot has to be kept in the middle of the cushion. And it can be practiced with both legs individually. Kneeling on the cushion is something else that can be practiced because it helps in giving sensory experience on the knees. The position can be changed to keep the knees ahead so that the pressure comes in front of the legs. Similarly, the legs can be placed on the cushion in a long sitting position, which is with your legs straight, your knees not bending. Not only sensory experience or balance, but motor coordination can also be improved by flipping the cushion forward, trying to push the cushion gently with each of the legs, which also helps in practicing one leg standing, both forward and backward. And finally, pushing it as far as possible. This can be practiced in different directions. I hope these activities helped you understand how a simple balance cushion can be really productive in improving sensory, motor experiences, as well as working on the balance of an individual and, as I mentioned before, reducing the risk of falls. So let me know if these activities were useful for you by liking the video, subscribing to the channel for more videos as I'll be posting neuro rehab based videos more frequently now. Ring the bell icon so you do not miss any videos on my channel, and we'll meet again soon. Bye.